Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another shopping haul for you. It is a fairly small one, to be honest. So this shop is from Morrisons. Didn't need a whole lot. There are several treats in this haul because we have grandchildren. They kind of get spoiled a bit when they're here. Anyway, I will turn the camera around now and I will show you exactly what we've got. Right, okay, so I'll just start anywhere because there's not a whole load here. Okay, so I've got some donuts. I think these are all, yeah, the sugared ring donuts because Casey doesn't like them with jam in, so she just likes the ring donuts. I've got those. I've got 3 packs of their crumpets. These are Morrisons' own crumpets, so they've got plenty of choice if they want a snack or if they want them for lunch or for breakfast. A couple of baguettes so that we can just do some lunches, or they can have some of this for dinner tonight if they want to. That's that. And then I've got some walnuts to put on my walnut cake, my coffee and walnut cake. Down here, let me just bring these up. I know I've made a bit more room. I picked up some of the Morrisons, the best deep filled mince pies. I don't know what the date is. So I actually bought them for like now, so that if anyone wants to have like their first mince pie of the year, they can. I'm just trying to find the date. Oh, here we go. 31st of October. It's a bit cheeky really that they're making the mince pies to go out of date so quickly, but I'm sure they'd last, do you know what I mean? What do you think? Do you think if these don't get eaten I could just put them away for Christmas? I think I probably could, you know. And these have been like awarded by the Good Housekeeping Institute. These again, I have bought these so that the kids could snack on them, but I'm thinking I might actually put those away and just leave these ones out and they can go to Christmas. A pack of 4 baked beans, needed some more of that. Bleach was 2 for £1, so I've got 2 of those. This is a really nice sort of breakfast for the kids if they want it, if they want to have it with something sweet like Nutella or honey, or if they want to have it with bacon, you know, this is a nice little treat. Then there is a little bit of healthy in here, guys. Bananas, 2 lots of bananas, although they are the ripen at home one, but they ripen so very quickly when you've got like other fruit. See there, they ripen so quickly next to the fruit. And then finally over here, I ordered some steak cut chips because I knew that we were out of them. For the kids' hot chocolates, I've got some of the Squirty Dairy Cream. I have got the little mini marshmallows already. So I just thought, oh, they could have their drinks in like the little pumpkin cups, you know, and I've got the hot chocolates here. So if they want that, they can. The date on this, I'm thinking, is probably quite long if it's not used at all, but I'm sure it will be. Yep, April 23. Needed some more brie, so just got a pack of brie, some halloumi. We do like to have a little bit of halloumi sometimes with dinner. Absolutely gorgeous if you do it in like a non-stick frying pan with some chilli. It's just amazing. I needed to top up on the cheese, so I got that. And then another little healthy snack, thank goodness, some strawberries. So there we go. That is everything that I got in the Morrisons haul. That is everything. I didn't get a whole load, did I, this time? And I just need to pop it all away now. And take care, everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now, my lovelies. Bye.